Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today we're gonna test it my Atari 65XE, the one I purchased it not too long at some local guy. Pretty much big container with all kind vintage computers, stuff, parts, and one of them it was this Atari. I mean, I do like Atari, I do like Amiga, I do like Commodore 64, now I do have also VIC-20. Pretty much I'm really into retro stuff. I like to repair it, restore it. Not really restore it like some people do, retro bright it, everything make sure looks almost good as new. No, my case is different. I want to make it functional, I want to play it, enjoy it, kinda relieve that mid-80s or early 80s or 70s time. Even back then I didn't own Atari 65XE or any Atari actually in the matter of that. But all around it looks really nice. It's kind of like all-in-one unit. Well, this model you not really can call all-in-one because it doesn't have a drive. My Atari 1040 STE, it does have a drive, and I call it all-in-one. Also my Amiga 500, 600, 1200 does have a drive, all-in-one unit. This one, it was kind of hybrid unit, close towards all-in-one, but not quite in all-in-one. I'm not really sure if you can call it all-in-one. Anyway, on the right side it has joystick ports, joystick 1, joystick 2. On the back face has a parallel port or I call interface port, which look like it's made for modem, drive, floppy drive, tape, and this one I'm not really sure what that mean. It looks like a toaster, but maybe I'm wrong, guys. Oh, you know what? It's probably printer. Yeah, it is printer. This is a cartridge slot, then a monitor. It's probably RGB composite. I'm not sure if that system ever been able to produce RGB, but anyway, yeah, probably RF and composite. Channel 2, channel 3. Oh, it's actually channel 2, channel 3, not channel 3 and 4. And television. Over there is RF. Power, it has a 7-pin DIN connector and power on and off switch. On the right side, on the left side, there's nothing. On the back, nice vents. Actually, that design I kind of like it. You know, it looks really good. And the system didn't have a lot of mileage, judging by label. The label still intact. Everything nice and clean. You can read it, no problem. Serial number, all that is there, made in Taiwan. Okay. First thing, when I got this unit, it comes just unit itself. I mean, some cartridges for Atari 800, and also I believe it's gonna work on that unit too. Then I got a slick stick. Oh, it's made in USA. Wow. These days, it's really hard to find anything made in USA. Well, of course, this one is not made in 2025. It's made in 1982, probably, or 84. Also, since I didn't have any cables, I did make my own power supply. Yeah, I bought those connectors, I believe, on Amazon, like 5 for $10 or so, and attach it power supply. Pretty much Atari 65XE. I'm not sure about the higher model. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, I dropped something. It's using a 5 volts 2 amp or so. Yeah, I found this adapter should work pretty good. Also, I make composite connector. I mean the cable. You actually can pick it up on eBay. I believe they do sell something similar for what I made. But since I did have this connector already I believe I bought long time ago from my Atari STE. Yeah, for some port, pretty much I reuse it. Also, like in previous video, I mentioned it that I ordered a flash card for this guy, and here is 8-bit 8 pico card. 8 pico card. Wow. No, pretty much 8-bit flash card. It has a reset button. Also, there's a USB. I'm not sure if camera's gonna pick it up. USB Type C. I mean, you can plug it in and reflash it. It's supposed to come with a couple games. I pay like 20 bucks on eBay, which is pretty good. Okay, this guy, Quicks, we're not gonna try it. I believe I did run it in my previous video about Atari 800. It's kind of fun game, which I did. To be honest, I was not good because I didn't know what the hell I was doing with that game, how to play, and what's a goal I have to reach it with that game. Anyway, let's plug it video, and let's plug it to my set. I'm not really sure if color I match it the way it's supposed to be. I mean, left and right channel video. And then let's plug it power as well. Oh, you know what? We need a flash card. It's going this way or going? No, it's going this way. Okay, yeah. Well, of course, reset button have to be on top. Oh, that's dummy me. I tried put it in a different direction, but then if you flip it, even somehow you make it stick in, then how you gonna reset it? Okay, and let's plug it. That slick, what's it called? Slick stick. Wow, what a name! It's kind of simple and easy to remember it. Okay, and power. Oh, right there. Okay, that's a good sign. Turns red. Where's my remote for TV? Oh, here it is. Let's see. I believe I need to switch a channel or so. No. My bad input, and that's gonna be AV2. Wow. The colors is really freaking me out. I'm not really sure. Why the colors is... Oh, you know what? Probably my cable. Yeah. I don't know. The color look like crap. Not sure what's going on. I mean, if it's my TV not really taking signal from this Atari kind of seriously, because the color all over, and it really looks like crap. Oh, you know what? I do have old CRT TV. Let's swap it to CRT TV. Maybe it is my new, I mean, more modern TV doesn't wanna properly display that signal. Let's test it and see if this little guy is gonna produce a nice picture. Yeah, actually the picture looks like crap also. I'm wondering, it has to be my crappy cable. Maybe the system itself. But I mean, right now we are using on the old CRT TV. It should be nice, clear picture. I don't know. To be honest, since I'm not professional in Atari 65 XE department, for me it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, let me reposition the camera. The video picture still looks like crap, but at least I can select some game. To be honest, the quality of picture, what's on the screen, it's almost unreadable. Let's see what can be. Crystal Castle. Да, yeah, I believe so. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here I am running back and forth. And you know what? When it's playing a game, actually the picture quality looks good. Yeah, the quality of picture itself, the game picture graphics, it looks good. No fuzziness. I mean, it's composite signal. It doesn't look too good, but it never made to looks good. Let me reset it. But when you reset it, and it's gonna go back. How you reset it? I just push it a button. Return caps. You know what? I don't know how to reset that game cartridge, because I'm just pushing a reset button and it doesn't reset. Oh yeah, the system itself has a reset button. I'm sorry. Yeah, but when you are in a menu mode, everything is kind of not double image. It's just blurry and kind of color all messed up. Let's try something else. Oh, Dr. Mario. Wow. I like that game on the Nintendo. I didn't know it was Dr. Mario on Atari. Let's hear a sound. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, I'm losing. Yeah, I just lost it. Well, guys, pretty much Atari works. Look like working fine. Picture quality is not that great, but I assume it's my cable. Maybe I didn't connect it properly. I didn't make it properly or so. If you do have a similar Atari and that picture quality looks normal to you, please let me know. I will be really appreciate. But like I said, the colors, it's all over. Probably it's my cable. But otherwise, I'm quite happy, and it's the first Atari 65 XE in my collection is gonna be. I already do have Atari 400, which is awesome. But I like a little bit this one better because it's kind of rounded, a little bit newer design, a beige color. I do love it. Okay, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it's kind of interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.